Good morning. Anyone's there? Just getting all set up. Oh. Guide make another ticket. Let's get the music going. Here we go. Hope everyone's having a fine morning. Got a plan for today. To finish... Ooh, is that a ding? Hey, it's all showing up now. I'm gonna pick it up. Here we go. Let's drag this back. Plan for today is some... How many hits it just low? Thieving wall safes. I believe they are. Yes. But loud. Ooh. So there's a few things with this. We should have a stethoscope. Stethoscope. I don't know. That even shows up. No. We'll get that. Off to the modelers. Yeah, that's all we need. Sweet. Just wait for the code to be all nice and pretty. Building indexes. There's not much you can get from wall safes. You get a few coins, emerald, sapphire emeralds, rubies, and diamonds, but definitely still useful. Definitely still useful. We can create a... Why isn't it... Come on, load up. No one is loaded when all this goes pretty colours instead of just... There we go. Much better. Alright. Create a new package. Over wall safe. So this will have a drop table. That we will create a init for. So we have a new... Oh, we need to add stuff to the drop list, right? So we'll have a list of loot. Our first order of business is the coins. Which have a 56 out of 128. And a quantity of 20. So we go thieving. Items, coins. 20, 20, and 56 out of 128. That's the amount. And we just do the next one. It's super simple. Next one is 10 coins with a drop rate of 25. Next one, 40. And a drop rate of 21. And we finally get to the gems. Uncut sapphire. These obviously just be ones. Emerald. Nine. Super simple. Rubies and then diamonds. It needs to be uncut. Diamond. And those values are 4 and 1. So this should all add up to 128. 6. So once we've done that, then we say the drop table is equal to that. List. Cool. We want to create an area where this is even possible. So we want to do rogues, then all safe. And then all we have to do is we want to add a use to interacting with those specific blocks. So if we just fly on over. Basement. Stone pickaxe 74. So this could probably be a fake block, which is in MineScape block. So we actually need to import that. Phone didn't reply, Ender? Oh no. Welcome anyway. We are just setting up the wall saves. How are you? Sprite is fine, yeah. Thank you, Enda. When is it safe to call this? That's the only question. Maybe we won't have it in it. Alright, so when you interact with it, we first need to do a few things. We need to check your thieving level. For thieving, if the level is less than 50, then we don't do anything, right? Yeah, so you need level 50, so we just return false, and then we'll just say Piacent, thank you. Have you assigned it and everything? Not iChat info. Yeah. Oh, not bad. You require 50 thieving to that. Thank you, Enda Savannah. You put it under mining or smithing. Why'd you put it there? Wait, did you even add the actual... Are you sure you assigned it? Oh, you just created the JSON now. Again, yeah, all good. I was like, what? Where's the JSON file? All good, much appreciated, Andrew. Much appreciated. Because that increases... So you can access his shop if you're level 99... Mark Twait. Martin... What? I don't know. THWAIT. How the fuck do you... How are you supposed to... I'm not sure how you're supposed to pronounce that, but oh well. But yeah, so that shouldn't be too hard. Let's grab the ID that you assigned. Oh, you're just doing it now? Make sure it's the right number, because I don't think that matches up. What did you add before it? The Demon Butler doesn't line up. None of these line up. It's because you missed one after Peach. After Broken Armor, there's a Peach. Now that lines up. Cool. So then all we gotta do is private kelp chance and level boolean stethoscope. So the base chant is with the stethoscope it's 41, else it's 33. And then the and then it goes up to, is it the same distance? 41H? No. So the, without a stethoscope, it's 33 to 63. With the stethoscope, it's 41 to 75, right? So the growth per level is the difference divided by 49. So you can only get up to, so max is 99 thieving. But what happens if you boost thieving? So we'll just calculate the base growth, which is stethoscope, and then the difference there is 34. So then take the base chance and then we add the add chance, which is stethoscope. Stethoscope growth times by the... Has to be the level difference, right? Between... the minus the 50. Growth. Yeah, so what this will do is it'll take whatever levels you've gained and times it by whatever the difference is. So what does this result do? Oh, so this has to be like that, otherwise it'll complain. It'll just be 0. We've had that problem before. Alright. Turn true. Now, into chance equals calc. Calculate chance from the level and thieving items dot stethoscope contains PL. So if you have it, then you get a better chance. Let's also, whilst we're at it, add it to the item info. Then if utils dot random the chance out of 100. Then we want to reward, else fail. When failing to crack the safe, the player will trigger a trap, adding them between 2 and 6 damage. So int damage is equal to utils.random 2 and 6. Combat reason dot world. Just got your emails now for your pull request, but we've already done them. Oh god. Alright. So per click, cracking the safe or triggering a trap can take anywhere from 2 seconds to upwards of 18 seconds depending on luck. The success rate estimated between 49% at level 50 and 77%. What? This doesn't make any sense. Per click, cracking the safe or triggering a trap can take anywhere from 2 seconds up to 18 seconds, depending on luck, with a success rate estimated between 49% at level 50. But then above it says 33% at level 50. Crack the safe. The player will trigger a trap. Does this make any sense to you? Ender, have a look at this. Under the lobby, does this make any sense? The last sentence of the first paragraph in the lobby area. But it says it. The first sentence tells you the percentages, and then later on, no, but if you look at it, it specifically states in the lobby, the chance is like whatever 33% at 50, but then in the last sentence, it says again 49%. So the first time it says 33%, and then it says 49%. Wait, what? I'm gonna take the first one because that's what Mod Ash said. I'm just gonna take it as what it says. So 2 to 18 seconds depending on luck, which is 4 ticks. Yeah, that's what I'd say. So 4 ticks is 2.4 seconds. Upwards to 18 ticks, which is 18 seconds, which is how many ticks? Like 18 divided by 0.6. No. 30 ticks. Jesus. 4 to 30 ticks, depending on luck. I. That's a hefty So I created an action builder, which Alright, so we need to... a wall safe action, and then we need to enter time of 4 to 30. For every 5 ticks, we want to send a message. Which means we want to... How many numbers are there in this goddamn thing? 3 numbers. Alright, so we want to fade in over 2 ticks. Show for second. Alright, so we want to be like... cracking... what's it called? Cracking safe. And then we want to play like a... We need to give experience, right? 70 experience, so... So we want to add 70 thieving experience. And then we want to that'll be award. It's a nice way of doing it. Whole save manager, not get. It's static. That's not what we want. And then loot. There we go. So if their inventory is full, what if their inventory is full? They shouldn't be able to try again, right? It needs like a check on the init. Action. MineScape player. So if not free, then we want to send a message saying your inventory is full. Here we'll have a predicted boolean passes init check. If add the init check and return this. Do some chaining. Which means we just then have to add a init check of inventory. So we'll create this as a get instance. Boom. You getting the little cave schematic? Yes. We'll do that later on today, so we can get all those up. Cool. We got the reward going. Voila. Should just work now. Cool. So let's grab Thieving skill. And in the init, we will just call allsafemanager.getInstance. .init, sorry. And then that'll call this new wall safe block, which will register itself as a wall safe, as long as it meets this. Oh, we haven't done that. We need to meet the rule. Ooh, that's easy enough. So if if it isn't a if it isn't in the roasting, then we want to return false, in case someone else puts it in a build somewhere. And of course this happens. So player depends on actions, so we can't import the player inventory. Can't import this. You can use that instead. That's fine. That's good. Get rid of that. And there we go. What we didn't do though. And add that chicken. That's fine. Ding! Alright. So add rogues, then wall. Safe. interaction. Hello. Who is that? It's like, take my energy. Alright. Should work now. Isn't that exciting? We should be able to reload the resource pack and get the stethoscope in as well. Building like a peasant. Nice, nice. I'll get you that schematic later on today. I'm not sure if I can because it's like kind of weird with old school's like underground system. It's hard to find shit. Like image wise. Because they use like a tile system, right? I wonder if I can find it. Oh, damn it. I'd have to like find it on the map, almost. Well, it's not that far away, it's a good... I know. I'll find it for you. How do we know if it works? Should work. Oh, we don't have the special rule. My bad. So we want to include both of these. We go. Are they mirrored? Hey, ya boy. Rogues, den, wall, safes. Rules, add. Why does it send it twice? Why is that sending twice? It only says one interaction. Is it because it's just not consumed? Oh shit, press the wrong button. Brings you 2 times as bad. How are you today, Chance? Starting from scratch? Why has this got 2? I don't understand this. Whoever built this misaligned these torches. Yeah. 10 days just to start from scratch? Oh. Well, don't worry, MineScape's here forever, so... Man, it takes too long to reload the server, that kicks me out. Till we stat reset? Nah. How do we... I don't know, we'll see. Still says it twice. Alright, we'll try it. Lag. Oh my god. I got a full 30-second. Oh shit. Ooh. Well, 18-second. You need to play like a sound when you finish though. Well, this is just boring. Also, when you get hit. What? Oh, that should automatically play. We have a 100% success rate so far, so that's not promising. There we go. We got hit for 6. Wait, you could technically just run away. Ah, shit. Yeet. Gonna add a Bandit's just too good at thieving. You add a movement check so that you can't move. We'll add a valid check. But you want it to be like... Knowledge. We need to add it like per action. So you need to do it like... You have a wall safe action. You need to make sure they don't move from where they started. Which normally you just do like block. Normally you get the standing, and then you just do a check if the standing isn't the same. Houses in East Arty weird sometimes. All houses are weird sometimes, it's fine. Right, so how do we do this? You'd have to init it, then a cancel, and then a finish. It's like too much though. Like, why don't you just be nice and simple? Make it just add it straight to the just do something like that. Then you just do that. And then on every init, sorry. Let's get on here. No, because this is a global action. Ah. Gosh darn it. Can do with a hash map. Cool. We want to put that here. Else on the can, so we want to create like a clear. If the movement isn't allowed, then the start locations dot remove get UID string. So if the get block doesn't equal the current location, which is return false. And in our wall safe, we can set the movement allowed to false. Right. I'll just leave the server because it doesn't seem to wanna let me join back in after I reload nowadays. Oh, should definitely too beefy. Yeah. Just takes too long. I know where the issue is as well. It's the NPCs, like, because they save to a JSON or what is it? Not JSON, a YML file, and it's so fucking slow when you're saving like 5,000 files. The overhead is just too much. So need to like, I did swap them over to a database, but it didn't seem to like it. And there's a null pointer. Action builder 176. Right out of this. Yeah. Well, I switched over to just like SQLite system. But then, well, what happened was, it wasn't loading some NPCs correctly, so I just switched it back to the YML for now. I'll get there. I'll definitely be able to change it over at some point. It's just, well, because even if I do get it working, then I have to make it so that it loads the old NPCs into the new database. So it's gonna have to. That might take a while as well, you know. So even if I get a new one working, it'll still be messy. Alright, so now it's failing on the movement check. Now it's failing here. What we'll do... So if you move more than one block, that should hopefully work. Let's stop it early, I guess. Might help. Ugh. Ding. Load back in. Alright. Will you let us do it now? But if we walk away... Hey. Do we have like a thieving... And we can at least give them the sound of... Yeah, we could do this actually. Like, of it giving you the item. The plop sound. Yep. That sounds good. Oh. I know Chance really wanted these, I think. So he's getting them. He's getting them. We can mark them off the roadmap, actually. All safe. ID 558. Completed. No, that was some trolls. Don't worry about them. It was Lord Dungeon logging in on multiple accounts and downvoting everything and spamming. Lol, yeah. Just the people that got booted, you know, they're a bit salty. That's alright. She makes like some like tinkering sound, you know, like in Skyrim when you're doing the little banning people from MineScape bring the worst. Yeah, they seem to not really like it very much, do they? Come on, give me one. There we go. At least it plays a sound. There we go. We can chuck in Rogue's Den wall safes. The update notes. I'm gonna check something it does. So if we have a mole, claw, or skin and we talk to him, how do we trade it to him? How do we get to this chat? Alright, so I need to switch to the other. Right, so we set the thing to dialogue 0. which will open up this one. And it'll trade the mole parts. Ooh. Damn it. Yep, yeah. Cool. Alright, so if we stop, he should give us the option to chat, or for the mole parts. What should we work on next then, Chance? Or Ender? Don't give me that power. Dragon Axe coming up next, boys. Let me check the roadmap. Yeah, something not too hard. Got like... You got me with Thieving Go. Hey, Shiora. Welcome, welcome for today. You wanna see it? I wanna see if this guy... Nice. Oh. I love you. What? What in there? What happened? Oh. Add a text to indicate where the mole dug to. Does it do that in old school? Yes. But do you have to have the thing to unlock it, or does it do it automatically? Woohoo, sub again? What? No way, Ender. Did you just sub? Nice, son. Yeah, I accidentally didn't merge it into the scope, so it'll be in a second, I'll show you. It does it automatically, like the fairly die, sends you a straight up arrow to him. Okay. Welcome. B floor. Hope I say that right. Finally, ding 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 ding. Oh no. Boom. There you go, Shiora. How does that look? It's not much, but... Oh, I got hurt. Just seemed like a failed message, actually. Oh, I got something though. I got some money. Yep, cool game by the way. I've seen a big fan of Minecraft and MineScape for a while. Brand new YouTube project earlier this year. Hey, welcome, welcome. Ooh, yeah. Welcome V. Welcome V. Let's just add a success message.
Oh my god, you whore.
Shiora has just subscribed with Twitch Prime. Oh my god, you whore. Much appreciated. Much love, Shiora, thank you. Coming in.
Oh my god, you whore.
And Ender coming in as well. With the tier 1 sub for 7 months. Much love, you goddamn horse. I'm kidding. I appreciate it. Hey. All the support we can get, all the better. You guys now can ding when I ding. And I'm gonna be changing up the emotes soon, but because we don't really need the Abyss Please anymore, even though it is a good good emote. We'll keep the stonks and the ding, but we'll try to get a few different emotes in here and stuff. But I appreciate that. You had me at mole pieces and got me to saves. D picks to DX. 24 claws? Yeah, we'll try and get those in. Make that go a bit longer. You know, we'll try, so the issue is the boxes, currently. Kinda interesting. Because the boxes you're supposed to be able to unlock in your bank, and it just like does them all. Or you do them one by one and it gives you one in your inventory. So it's kinda tricky, but so we'll try and get those. Alright, we just added a message. Let's see if that shows up. In the meantime, we will switch over to the mole rewards again. Go back to Wyson. And also the thing about Bird's Nest is it has a different drop table. It has a yeah, it has a different drop table. A mole claws. This is the 11th. I've had pizza in a row. Still going You're in pizza, Ender. Oh, I mean, not that pizza's bad, but it's pretty filling. I could go for some pizza for lunch today. Yeah, this is an entirely different drop table. Oh, that's a bit of work for me to do. So we have at the start a sweet corn seed. With a roll of 102 out of 684. Then we have a strawberry seed. Acorn. You mean tree seeds drop table versus other seeds drop table? So Wyson? Yeah, Wyson has like a different seed table. So we're just gonna go through that now. Shouldn't take too long. You just need to get the values from the wiki and plug them in, essentially. And then they'll work. Lantadime. Oh, these ones give 2. Make sure that's correct. Dwarf, weed, seed, it's the same. Hadatine's different. At 24. Teak seed. Wait, can you grow a teak tree anywhere? Or do we have to wait? Wait a minute. Can we grow the teak seed anywhere? That's 16. The willow and the pineapple is also 16. Caldecott tree seed. 12. Maple. It's a 6. Tor Stolt seed. And all these are 1 out of 117, so it's 4. Raina seed. Snapdragon seed. Hardwood plot. Ah, so we don't have that, okay. Is that in that fancy area? Where you can do like all the farming? Alright. So let us got a new beep because I wrote a script to automatically do this for me, so I don't have to. Oh shit! Boom. Fossil Island. Oh, there's that like farming area. Here we go. What are you hissing at me for? farming guild on the new continent, yeah. Preferdinis or whatever it is. That's PogChamp? What? That's the new PogChamp? Really? How is that the new PogChamp? Zyla, hello! How are you? Wouldn't you like to know? The old guy said some stuff about the Capitol riots in the US. Why does it keep fucking doing this? Oh, it's because I haven't merged it. How about south of Brimhaven? God damn, my computer's being slow. Guys, I need more RAM. Or something. I have 32 gigabytes of RAM, but it's not enough. Just throw it away and get a new one. So I need chip shortage right now. Oh god. I need a new motherboard. Because my motherboard only supports 32 gigs. I need one of those hats. You want one of these hats? God damn. They're on the store. What do you mean? You just buy one. Oh, my body's sore. Redwood is Redwood Patch in game 2. Yeah, some of them we don't have at the moment. We should make a Mr. Zyla hat. What would Mr. Zyla's hat have on it? Just fishing? Just all the fishes? Just buy one of this man making some large assumption about my bag status. Just buy one. Not for 10,000, not for 7,000, but a deal for 5,000. I mean, we had the giveaways a while ago. Should do another one soon, I guess. Need a event manager to do our giveaways. Let me go and see what I need to save up. That's around like 30 hats. It's a new design. 20 within shipping. Community manager, yeah, Drifix. Like 24 bucks with shipping, I think. Zyla. Uh-oh. We need an actual community manager. We did speak about it in our team meeting today. A little bit. Hey, I'll do it. Chance is just like, the only thing he suggests is he just says Dragon Axe the whole entire time. Yes, another guy, dude. You gotta hug. No, we just need someone that's like actually active in the community. Because the point of the community manager was to... Well, we essentially need two roles. We needed a community manager and an event manager. They were sort of bundled as one, but for some reason nobody can seem to do both. So the community manager is supposed to just bring forward like stuff the community wants. There's a command in chat, I think. There you go, Zala. There you go. Yeah, the community manager is supposed to be like, oh, people really want wall safes. Can you... How possible are they to add, you know? So they're supposed to like look at the roadmap, speak with people in game, and then just get like a general feel of what people want and report it back to the team. That was the original idea. But then also to do events, but that might need to be a separate job. Alright. So we got this birds. Here we go. And we also need a community manager who can report game-breaking bugs too. Yeah. Who is community? No one currently, Shioro. No one. We lost our last one at the end of last year. Do any not have the green underside? Sorry, cheesy. No. So the style of the hat like forces you to have it. I'm not sure why. I can look at the other hats, the other snapbacks, or even like a cap. It's really annoying because I don't have control over that with the people we use. It's so annoying because it doesn't even show it on the pictures, but then you order it and it has it. So if we were to add a hat, like it doesn't tell you that it has a green underside, it just comes with it. It's so annoying. Maybe I can look up the model. Kind of scuffed. I kind of like it, but a lot of people don't, so it's, yeah. Try something, let's see. See, none of the images show you, like, the underside? I don't hate it, I do. Yeah, exactly. How about this, Sila? It's weird that they have the same colors. When can I start buying merch with in-game GP? That'd be a bit busted. Get your underside green crap for not 10,000 but 5,000 and not 1 but 2. Oh god. Some TV commercial. Would you wear it to uni? I like wear it like every single time I go to uni for fix. But you'll see we had that, but the person who deals with bugs was missing. What? Oh, but they can still report it, so we'll see. It could be dealt with. Oh, it was, but yeah, no. Some people just weren't thinking clearly, I guess, at the time, and it is what it is. We move on. We continue on. We march forward. Ain't nothing slowing us down. No, I don't mean that. You been missing for 3 weeks? Yeah? I've explained it to the team, and they seemed okay with it, so I think in-game GP merch will be totally balanced and fair, and def not break your bang. I think there's a gold sink. Oh god. We could do like the wishing well thing. Oh, why is it green when it says failed? That's not what we want. It's fucking green. Oh shit. We could do like the wishing well thing, and whoever donates the most money in like a month could get like, or not most GP, or not donates, but like throws away the most GP could get like merch store or I don't know, something. Team trees wishing well. Yeah, like we could like donate money to charity and then also give you store. I don't know, there's heaps of stuff. But this is what like an event manager or a community manager should be thinking up with, you know? A title for Team Trees, yeah, I know you like your Team Trees, hero. But that's like something a event manager or community, I don't know. Let me throw away my GP. And there's not even that much GP in the game at the moment. There we are. Fix color on. Have to be careful with that though. I know I made the joke initially, but there was a reason Dragget stopped doing the donation well. What was the reason? I actually don't even know what happened with the donation well. I breathe from them, true. You breathe, you live and breathe trees. Alright, let's make sure the color's correct. They got in trouble for doing the you donate X amount of GP but donate X amount of money to charity because of an exact price in gold. But it doesn't though. I'd just do like a goal, right? Would be like if we reach 50 million GP, we donate $500 or something, you know, like that. Rather than, but I guess it does that also put an exact price? I don't know. It's kind of weird. I wouldn't think it would put an exact price on GP, but who knows? When someone try and attack a charitable cause, yeah. Alright, so it does say failed correctly now. Cool. The stalls are fat. The safes? The safe, you mean? Yeah, I don't think they're like that good experience though, because your success rate isn't great, and then it's like a random. So it's either 4 ticks or 4 ticks to 30 ticks. So you could be 2 seconds or 18 seconds. I mean, anywhere in between, but like, you know what I mean. It doesn't prove that the Stether... Is it really that slow in game? That's what I got from the wiki. So, I don't know. We'd have to @modash to really find out the times. But there's meant to be a guy over here you can buy something from. No, that's within the minigame. You gotta look at the lobby one. We need like a start message, because it doesn't. It needs to say cracking safe at the start. Otherwise you won't know. Success rates per click will be higher. On the first attempt. Success rates per click. Am I doing it wrong? Maybe I'm doing it wrong, but that's mostly the loot systems are what's important. I need the gems. No. No way you could be doing it wrong. Not possible. I just read it wrong, maybe. I see what you mean now, though. That's why it's so good to stream this, because like otherwise I just read stuff wrong, and you guys point it out, and I'm able to fix it. Thanks for that. I see what you mean though. On the first attempt, right? Success rates per click will be higher as the player will automatically make another attempt. So every 4 ticks, you make an attempt to crack the safe. It doesn't really make much sense. So it's like as if... Is that even an updated wiki? I don't really know one way or the other. Yeah, it sounds like it rolls the chance every... I'm not sure if the wiki's updated. It does have some info from Modash. but nothing about like how many ticks. It just tells us about the chances. It sounds like it means to roll the chance. Yeah, so it sounds like it rolls every 4 ticks. And then it'll try again 4 ticks later. Until they either crack the safe or trigger a trap. But then how do we determine if they trigger a trap? If that makes any sense. How do we determine if they trigger a trap? So, if it's every 4 ticks... Easy. If trigger trapping is true, then it happened. You know, but what are the chances of so the thing about the wiki is it doesn't tell you the chances of triggering a trap. It only tells you the chance of successfully cracking it. Right? That's... ah, yeah. So that one is for the minigame. Hmm. I'm sending you some PMs I've gotten I'm not amused with. Why is yours so different? It looks so different. Dude, they're just mad. Just laugh at them. That's what I do. When someone's mad at you, the way I see it, it's a fault with them, in the sense of if they can't get over something like that. I was looking at it for part then, my bad. Yeah, so it's in the lobby part of the wall safe. It doesn't tell you the percentage of of fails. So basically you're right there. You need to know, Sabilsi, sometimes a person's health is not good. You can't expect them to do everything they normally do. Sabilsi, generic raspy voice, lip noises. Is what it is. Alright. So, what does this do? It should repeat, cool. So if we repeat every 4 ticks. We need an explanation from him. Yeah, well, you can sort it out with him. It's not a place in my Twitch chat. So this is Vanilla MC. How are you coding this? Just like a plugin on a Bucket server? Yeah, pretty much, frankly. It's all just, well, most of it's my code, as you can see. But we use a few things from Bucket, and we've just built on top of it. He isn't responding to whispers? Then you gotta respect that, Sabilsi. If someone doesn't want to respond to you, or is not answering you, you respect it. Just send a nice message, and leave it be. Your code is beautiful. And it didn't used to be, but I'm trying to be get it a bit better. Thanks for that, though, frankly. There's no point being mad, Sabilsi, or getting angry at someone not responding. They'll respond or they won't. Getting mad ain't gonna help. Do you do much coding, frankly? Or have you just seen a bit of code before and you think this looks nice? Alright, so here we need to do something. Does it work like that? And a lot of work is done for you, and you blank us for 2 weeks. Yeah, but still not a place in my Twitch chat for it. That's what I'm saying. There are places for things. This is not one of them. So the issue, we have the action builder. Is that on the repeat, even if you're successful, it's going to repeat. So let's just not repeat it. And then we'll just Professor Oak's words echo in your ears. I do not like... I do some light batch and PS. What's PS? Scripting for personal projects and work, but nothing crazy. We've tried... Oh, so you do more scripts rather than object-orientated. That's fine. PowerShell. Oh, yeah. No, I do a bit of PowerShell as well, just for automating stuff on my computer. a bit of Python. You should get into Python if you want to learn a bit more. Python has some amazing libraries that'll just do whatever you want. But yeah. All I could think of was Photoshop. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I'm like, PS, that's Photoshop? No, what? That's not scripting. Unless you're scripting Photoshop to do something for you. That could happen, you never know. How about when we start the action, we send the message as well. Ooh. And let's not do it every 5 ticks, because it doesn't do that anymore. So every 4 ticks, you have a chance. And then it, if you fail. So if you trigger, so this is the trap. This is the trap. We need like a. So this is a half and half. That's a half and half. That is what I hear about Python. I just don't know. I just don't know. I have much of a project to start with. Like something I would use. So you just, yeah. Well, if you're just automating stuff, then PowerShell and Bash and Batch are fine. It's when you more want to do like large data sets or make a game, I don't know, whatever. You just need to find something you want to start messing with. Yeah, it's the whole reason I got into Java coding was because of Minecraft servers, so I had a reason. But that's not for everyone, right? So some people don't want to make a Minecraft server, so it's hard to tell them to go learn Java. This is a 50-50 trap. What do you guys reckon the chances should be? No, MineScape is for everyone. Minecraft isn't for everyone. MineScape is. What do you think the chances should be, guys? What do you guys think the chances of failing should be? It's hard to read the wiki, and unless we know someone that knows more about it, 99. But 999999%. So we've already done their chance of passing the first time. That is the fail rate. This is currently a 50-50. Because, like, you go up to it, right, and you'd... I do have a search app database thing where I've been thinking about might be able to take my current loop batch script I use for it. I'm sure Python has ways to work with database. and talk to Active Directory. I mean, even PowerShell would, right? This Windows. I just use an app called Everything. It like searches all your files and stuff. It's pretty good. And then if I want to search within files, I use a different program. I forgot the name of it. I hate cold coffee, continues drinking. Why are you drinking cold coffee, Zyla? Let me turn the fan towards me, it's getting hot. Ugh. Yeah, so we just need a... Do you think private servers would have the code? I had one ages ago, I don't know where it is. You wouldn't guess who's online fishing right now? No way. Is Zyla actually fishing in MineScape? It's like a Zezima when Zezima logs in. I was gonna mention that earlier, but I'm not sure I'm talking about them as for TOS. That's disgusting. Oh shit. Yeah, I wonder if any... No, this server I have doesn't have it. I know streaming them is bannable, but I don't know about talking. Are you banned on Twitch? You banned from streaming? There doesn't seem to be any info, more info about it. Is there anything on the... maybe the RuneScape 3? No. Wait, yeah, got banned 3 years ago. Never mind, that was fired from Amazon. Getting fired from Amazon? We'll just leave it at a 50-50 then, maybe? That sounds a bit much. So per click, Cracking the safe or triggering a trap could take anywhere from 2 seconds to upwards of 18 seconds depending on luck, with a success rate estimated between 49 and 77%. What is loot? The loot from the wall safes? You get coins, sapphires, emeralds, rubies, and diamonds. Is that what you mean? Or you mean this loot here? It just gets a drop. Let's say like 12 to 25% chance depending on the loot. So they say chance to pass is 33%, and then chance to not fail is 49%. That is the stats. That's at level 50. At level 99, chance to succeed per tick, per 4 ticks. And this is 63. And they say the chance to not fail is 77. Right? Which to me just looks like a plus 15, 16, 16? This one's 14 difference, and this one's a 16 difference. I say make it 50-50, and when it goes live, the players will yell at you if it feels wrong, and you can go from there. Unless you're trying to be accurate with the wiki, it depends on the level of your thieving. Yeah, so it depends on your level of thieving as well, right? So that's why I don't want it to just be 50-50. If we can come up with, like, even just a little bit of chance, then... And then it also depends on the stethoscope. So this is the levels, right? So... Not fail. It's kind of weird, so... You can't say I'm wrong. We always yell at you when I feel slightly off. Yeah, you yelled at me for ages with fishing. Does it still feel slightly off, or... I swapped the level of... So I swapped the way it rolls the fishes, so it should roll the highest fish first. But I'm not sure if that helped you with your rates, Zyla. And keep tweaking it until it hopefully more resembles. I'm gonna go AFK for a bit. How much longer you plan on streaming? I have a few things to do today, but maybe another hour or so. But definitely thanks for stopping by, frankly. If you aren't followed already, definitely hit the follow. You are following. Okay, good. Sorry, I haven't seen your name in a while. Like 5 more hours. I'm gonna start. I only just got back from streaming, so I'll start off a bit slower. 8-hour stream. No, but close enough. I'm happy with that. Like, are you happy with it? Okay. Well, we can always. If more info about fishing comes out, we'll definitely tweak it. But I'm hoping it's as close as we can get it. Maybe like another hour. Maybe another hour or so. All-nighter. Second stream back of the year and all-nighter. No. Definitely will do some of those though, but maybe in the uni break. We get a uni break in 2 weeks. In 2 weeks, so start of next month. Well, just before the start of next month, we get a uni break. So hopefully I'll get more time. Hey, bye bye. Thanks for streaming. Thanks for making a really cool project and sharing. Hey, appreciate you stopping by and just checking out the project. You know, the more people we have, the better. Skybex, hello. Long time no see. Appreciate all the feedback as well, frankly. Helping out. And good luck with any programming you do. How are you, Skybex, though? Another 24-hour stream win. Yikes. 24-hour stream once we finish construction. Oh yeah, the spots moving is definitely something we need to look into. So we need to like position the spots to be like move left and right when they deplenish. That's the word. How's the server been going? We're going good. Going good. Trucking along as always, steadily growing, adding more content for everyone. Last update was like smaller, but it was a good one. Good one. And this one is looking huge, boys. Ooh, content. Like 2 hours a day free, and it's a ding dang Saturday. Unlucky. Well, enjoy your free hours as much as you can. Content, yeah. Content's always good. Content making, that's what we do every day. So at level 99, oh, we need to figure out this chance. Jesus, we're trying to get as drunk as possible in those 2 hours. Oh god. It might just be my head, but I don't know. And also the spot's never replenished, and they consider an NPC that is predefined locations can be at will teleport to the spot after a set amount of time has passed. Okay. Got a Zoom wedding? In an adult training class? A Zoom wedding. Could you imagine? A Zoom wedding. Actually, I saw a video on a Zoom wedding. Not like like it was Dan Mace on YouTube. He did I think he did his wedding, and it just had like all his friends and family and like in the crowd, but they were just faces or something. I think it was Dan Mace. Yeah, it was. Start of the COVID last year. Yeah, people getting married on Zoom. Yeah. They got their bridal party in person, everyone else is online. Yeah, man, that'd be so weird, but hey, it's what you gotta do, you know. So like, here are barfly fish. There'd be 2 spots. And then 4 specifications. And 2 just teleport around between those spots. Yeah, we can definitely look at something like that, Sylar. Can be done. Always possible. It's just getting it done and not breaking other things is my main concern. But definitely possible. So I'm just gonna do a 25% chance to fail. What's that, 16% chance? But it should go up with...
50 inches isn't that bad.
Shrek as a wilderness boss when? It's been long enough.
Cocaine Jedi coming in with the 300 bits. Wanting Shrek as a wilderness boss. Have you been watching too many RSPS videos? And they've just got fucking Shreks and like donkeys and like random stuff all walking around. Cocaine Jedi coming back. Ayy. Oh my god. Damn son. Much appreciated for the 300 biddies. Shrek wilderness boss. Dear Lord, can you imagine? I've seen those RSPS videos on Facebook and they look so bad. It's all just like pay to win as fuck. Oh my god. Oh, it's terrible. Yeah, I know. You've seen them as well, I'm assuming. Top biddies of the month. I mean, you don't really have much competition, but you know. You got your boy though. He had 100 bits. Appreciate the 300 bits. Okay. Helps out a lot. Every little bit helps. I did finally decide to put my years of Discord experience to use to start my own community server. Nice! Hey, Skybacks, that's good. Hopefully it doesn't take up too much of your free time moderating it and everything, but yeah, that's good. Not like MineScape where you nearly fund the service alone with chess buys and still take 11 hours to get the Dragon Defender. Ooh, RNG, eh? No pay to win. It's the best. And Jafix, yeah, so that's Jafix, that's the first roll. But then on the next roll, it either, so when you're cracking the safe, it either fails you with a trap, or you succeed, it fails you with a trap, or you try again. We're trying to figure out how we do the try again. This is like, how do we determine the try again / fail rate? So far as I haven't any issues requiring moder. Yeah, but you know, when you get like the bigger the community gets, the harder it gets to make sure that everyone in there is like good, has good intentions. Yeah, we've seen a bit of that a few times, haven't we, boys? Trying to vet the new members really well. You know, we had the coolest people. You have to do a whole vetting system. That's good, that's good. Do you see what I mean though, Drifix? It has that last sentence. Are you just personally vetting them at the moment? That's fine. Just set up like support tickets sort of system, I guess, where people join and then they get accepted or not, whatever. Like sort of like we have. Nothing spells growth like having to institute new mechanics and bans to quell populist uprisings that are based on memes and bad faith. Yeah, you also get the memers that aren't memers aren't like bad. They don't have bad intentions. They're not always annoying, but generally memers are a bit annoying. But then you, like, they're funny as well. And then no one talks about it every day, but such is life. Yeah, that's about memers. Memers. What happens to memers? The meme is good for about a few days, and then forgotten. Bandit! Froggy! Alright, I'm just gonna go for a 1 and 6. For now. I hope that's good enough. How are you, Froggy? Thanks for checking us out today. On this lovely, lovely day.
50 inches isn't that bad.
Oh, here we go.
Throughout all of recorded human history, memers have been the mouse fart that starts the avalanche of change for better or worse.
The mouse fart. It's like that thing where if a bird flaps its wings, does it start a tornado across the world? Yeah, memes. Yes or no, though? Because some memes just don't do anything. They're just there to be funny, right? That's the whole point of a meme. But a lot of them have like subliminal Messaging, I think is what you mean. Got 41 cool members, nice. Small community, keep growing it up. Because then that small group will invite more people, and then get an even better community. And then some people make memes that aren't memes. Froggy. Yeah, I get what you mean though, Froggy. Oh, cocaine. Case in point, Cocaine Jedi X White Babe 7 or Thurgo OnlyFans. Yeah. It's a meme. Does it go anywhere? Does it start something? Maybe one day. You have to wait and find out. Medium run and telling run about their cool friends, yeah. When you find a nice group, it's but then it also is good to it's also sometimes good to have people that you don't like agree with all the time. Like I'm in a Discord group and there's a few guys I just really don't agree with, even politically anything. But that's just how it is. Like it's nice to have people you don't agree with as well. What's the hit points change? Hit points change? You mean how it's on the hotbar? Down here? How do I... It's down here. Is that what you mean? What's this paceman? Where are you getting this from, Fix? Being able to disagree peacefully is being particle. Well, we have one guy that just tells you you're wrong repeatedly. As soon as he doesn't agree with what you say, he just says you're wrong. That's his defense mechanism. You're wrong. It's pretty funny though. Wow, what a Chad. Yeah. As soon as he doesn't agree with you, he just says you're wrong. And then you can't say anything else because you just keep saying it. Say test points because yeah, I'm half asleep, Froggy. Yeah, I was just sending a heart. No hit point changes. Unless you want to take away your hit points with wall saves. Yeah, where are you getting that from, Jafixer? Two. And that's seconds, isn't it? Is that what you mean? Oh, you just wrote that. Uses it. Yeah, so, but the thing is, it's not... It won't be a change going up. And it's 4 ticks to 30 ticks. Because it's 2 seconds to 18 seconds. And fill in the gaps. Yeah, so... But the problem with that is, if it takes the third try to succeed, you've had 3 times by 33%, right? Which means you increase 33% each time you... It's like weird, because it like when you do multiple tries of 33%, the next time you have, like, for the second try, so first is 33%, the second is like, it's technically, isn't it like 33%, and then you add on like the first one? I forget how to do it, but it keeps growing like larger and larger, right? And that's where they're probably getting the 49% from, that's what I'm saying. I know you said you mentioned you had a server where you looked at it a while back, but I sent you the phishing file from the one I had. It has the way it creates spots if it helps any, it has the time and seconds. Oh. The RSPS? How it creates? Yeah, so it's not the issue of the timing and stuff. It's the issue. Thanks for that though. It's the issue of just making sure the spots like reappear and stuff. Oop, that failed. Action builder 168. Doesn't like the fact that I moved. Why is that? Alright, fix that. You bought a new gaming chair. It's amazing from Secret Labs. It was almost 400 bucks, but it's got a 5 warranty and feels good. Yeah, getting a good chair is a lot good. Like, this chair keeps me sitting upright so I don't slouch. Because, like, otherwise you get, like, always get, like, back pain or something. And lay down on the bed. Actually, I think my back pain was from the bed itself, but then the chair wasn't helping as well. But we've got a good chair now, so... And then my old chair, the foam in the seat itself, like, slowly diminished, and so you're just sitting on, like, metal inside the thing. And the neck pillow is memory foam with cooling gel. See his sweaty neck. You sweater. It's pretty funny. Bought a 271 and it vibrates too. Jesus Christ, you. Oh, that's funny. $270 on a vibrating chair. I don't know if I'd go that much, but yeah. You need a chair with an air freshener and a cushion to turn my farts minty. Oh god. Gotta just, isn't there a pill you can eat now that makes your farts like smell different? I swear there was. Probably not really worth it, but see, that feels like kind of good. How do you reckon this feels? At 50 thieving. That's perfect. Now let's get to working on fishing again. Maybe I should get my wife a vibrating chair. Oh god. Yeah, old chair was 150 bucks and it lasted a couple of years because the fake leather started to peel off. Yeah, and I don't ever buy like one of those like leather executive chairs. Cause that shit just starts peeling. Cause you're like, you move too much and it's just like kind of glued onto some like fabric or something. And you move around and it just starts peeling. Can you add text back for a member who joins clan? Does it not show anymore? Try to. And so you splurge on a good one? Yeah. Nah, it's definitely get a good chair. You sit in it so much. Yeah, I mean, for the price is okay, but I think it was time for a button back investment. It shows when they leave. So it shows when they leave, but it doesn't show when they join. Okay. We can try to do something. Join. How do you guys reckon this feels though? Cracking the safe. How much does it always do? Like heaps of damage. Like if this is like how it is, fuck, you're gonna get so many gems and like feels spicy. This is gonna bring so many gems in, actually. What the fuck? And so much experience. 140. Wait a minute. If it says it's normally 2 seconds and upwards of 18, isn't that just a 1 in 9? I might be... Can you just sit there? Yeah, you just sit there and click. What do you mean, can you just sit there? What? Feels spicy? That's how it is. I've wanted this. I've brought gems to MineScape. No, what? When you spend tens of thousands on a car for a 20-minute commute, but sit on a $100 chair for 6 hours, doesn't make sense to me. I guess so. But then, like, the complexity of a car is a lot more complex than a chair, so that's what you're spending your money on. Unless you want to get that Logitech chair that, like, adjusts to your back. Gems, gems, gems. Gems are forever. Just get some fucking Tarek. Tarek wood. Oh god. This isn't... Wait, where's the... Where is it? Fuck.
Gems are truly, truly, truly outrageous.
Fucking Tarek. Jesus Christ, sorry if that was too loud. Oh god. Just put that into the game whenever you thieve a gem. No, Bandit, stop putting logic in my comparison. Louder, daddy. Gems are truly, truly, truly outrageous. You want it louder? Did I blow your earphones off? Didn't know my TV had bass. Oh god. I'm sorry if it blew your... I didn't mean it. Gems are truly, truly, truly outrageous. Just invite your girl onto MineScape. Gems are a girl's best friend, right? Or is that diamonds? You can get a few diamonds from this, surely. Put a go-kart engine on a $100 office chair if needed, and spend $20,000 on a desk chair. Or just don't commute and work from home, and then just spend $100,000 on a chair. Big brain. It was the loudest boom and it ended sound perfect. I'm sorry. Oh shit. Can't work from home? Unlucky. Yeah. Not everyone could... I think, like, the only good thing about COVID is it has allowed a lot of people to work from home. Jesus, it's still going. I'm still trying to crack it. There we go. They told me to pack my stuff up and stay home. Instead of working from home, they told you to stay home. And not ever come back to work. Ah, shit. It's the wrong work from home. Oh no. Hope you got something else sorted though. Well, you said that was a few years ago, right? Hopefully you found something better, even if it isn't working from home. Right. Well, I think 1 in 6 isn't too bad. We'll just keep it like that. Moving on, we need the guy himself. We need the stethoscope guy. Martin. So he has a store where he sells rope, lockpick, chisel, knife, stethoscope, bronze knife, iron knife, steel knife, bronze claws, iron claws, and steel claws. Jesus. Hey Bennett, can we add graves outside of Obor and Brio Fighter? Oh, because if you have a key and you die, it's in there. But that's how it's in old school, isn't it? Aren't they instanced? No, because they have that new death mechanic. Well, then you're asking the wrong question. Instead of adding graves outside, you need to add deaths thingy. Right? Oh, is that how it is? I thought it would have just gone to Death's coffer thingy. No? I like how when you think you just sprint jump in a big loop. Hey, it's the best way to think. Do we have Martin's store? I don't think we do. Alright, let's get us I swear I had a script to a JavaScript file. Animate. First line of the wiki. This fight takes place in an instance area. On death, all unprotected items will be moved to a grave outside the instance. Any items left on the ground will be lost. We could just allow you to teleport in like we do with Mole. Maybe. So you don't need to, sort of like, yeah, how we have the Mole system where we can just teleport you in regardless. Or something. But even if you have another key, your stuff doesn't live there. No, I meant like, because in the mole you can just teleport down so that you can get your stuff. What I'm saying is that you can just have an option on Sirpugger to say, teleport me in anyway. I mean, there's no way out currently, so you have to home teleport out, but that's free. And the same with Brio, you could just like, when you walk up to the door and click it without a key, it'll just say, teleport me in anyway, so I don't know. Just trying to think of good ways to deal with the issue. I had another key, went back in, and there was nothing in there. It should have been. It should have been. Cannot read in a text of undefined. It works that way with Brio, but for Ogre there was nothing. So if you die in Ogre's area, you don't get your stuff. It should work. Shouldn't stop the grave from spawning. I don't know. Ran straight back in after dying. It's something we look at. If it's not on the roadmap already, Froggy, definitely chuck it on so we can keep track of it. I don't want to have people losing stuff if we can help it. What if I did something other than fishing? You'd be banned instantly. You'd just, if you even like start to cut a tree or like start fletching, you're just instant banned. It's coded in. If Mr. Zyler action doesn't equal fishing, he's gone. He's gone. Ah, shit. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Zyla. That's just how it is. So we need to make Martin... How do you pronounce this name? So... Where do we have the other people down here? Would this be Berthorpe? Guess so. Oh. One sec. How do we pronounce this? Martin. How do you pronounce that? You did post it on Laws. If it's its own thing, then yeah, it should be its own thread. How would you pronounce that? Let me just delete all this. Let's see. We going to end like last time when I joined. We got another maybe 20 minutes or so. I don't want to push streaming too much as I come back. I think I focused too much time on it last time and it sort of took away from me being able to do a few things, but I'm glad to be here nonetheless. How are you, Green's the Penguin? We could just call you Pengu. How are you, Pengu? Oh god. We have a surprise for Netflix customers. Click here. I think not, thank you very much. Pengu is my god. Alright, so what's his text like? Here's a dialogue. Let's just copy some of Terrail's stuff. So he says this. And then like the maximum amount is like this length. Just size it up. Alright. Why'd you make my fishing bad? That means you're the top person in fishing, Sailor. Pingu was my god. Oh, Root. Hey, you got Pingu high. Oh my god, no way. Alright, I'm just calling you Pingu from now on. You can be God Pingu. Oh shit. Poopy fish. Sweet, love the name. God Pingu, how you doing? Just wait till I get rank 1. Legit 37 mil fish experience. Yep. Yeah, so if you're the first in a skill, it gives you the golden thing. That was a request from... There's someone on the team, I think. Was that Gina? No. Who requested that? It was someone. Oh. I swear someone on the team suggested it. I know it means rank 1, but why does it look like a cooked fish? I hate it. I like the idea, but I hate the execution. Oh hey, when is Froggy becoming a mod? What? This is the first I've heard of this. Asking for a friend. Hmm. You don't like the cooked fish, Lana? Well, it's not toggleable. You gotta have it. Maybe it's something we can do, but just for now, it's just how it is. I never heard about this mod, Froggy. When is Mrs. Out becoming a mod that has no duties and is good to do nothing, but has a green name so it matches my title? Oh god. But I think the mod is, would it be the same color? Yeah, it's the builder one that's dark green. Huh. Well. See how it is. What's wrong with this? So here to do open shop. If 50 thieving and 50 agility or 99 thieving, I think. Helper? Maybe. Just hit someone get 38 mil in fishing and you'll be good. No, he needs to be helper. He can help fishing. Well, Zala, you'd be interested in this, I think. So this... No, that's not what we want. My stream is so annoying sometimes. So this is what we have now. Let's see. You look over... Oh my god, how do I do this? There. This is all of our modules we have for the code. Can you zoom in on this? No. So if you want to work on a skill, you go into the skills area, and there's like farming or fire making, fishing, glitching. so much like folders now. But there's also a an API that I can send to someone. What's the folder that says Froggy's RNG? No, we don't look in that folder. Don't know what you're talking about. What are you up to, Bandit? No. Don't look at the Xyla no fishing folder either. But yeah, so it's all sorted now into like, I don't know how many modules. Ooh, tasty. Yeah. Sort of just hide it behind the chat though, because there needs to be someplace for the chat. What about the change Zyla's name to green folder? Oh gosh. Go all Moana on Zyla, remove all the fish. Oh no, I'm not allowed to fish anymore. I think Zyla might go insane if we did that. It'd be too much for Zyla if we remove fishing. It's his love, it's his life. Boom. Cool. And then just a... No, thank you. Title, player, text, T4, T5. So we need to open the shop. Alright, so here we need to go int thieving level. I need my name, Mr. Zyla, to match my title, Mr. What you wanna do? You want a purple name? Oh, you just don't know if you want a model? Oh no. So we get the level of thieving. So if that doesn't equal 99, then if thieving level is less than 50, right? So it has to be level 50 or higher in both thieving, or the level of agility is less than 50. Can't open shop. Return. I'm willing to help people fish for green name. If you get these name requests, please add Visage. So many things to add. So many Dragon Slayer. Need so many quests. You know, we're very close to getting all the skills done. We got Construction, Hunter, and then like half of Agility. That would be like a big... Be like a big turning point, you know? I feel. No more visitors. The player base is ready to write over my name, not mention my title. The whole player base. So game all. Where do we use this? We use it down here, right? Down here, which needs to set open chat field. Right. You do not have the required to install. Is that alright? Alright, now let's go create a store. Stores. So we want... He runs... What store is this? What's the name of the store? Martin Thwaites Lost and Found. Jesus Christ. Yeah, lost. Oh god. Alright, so the amount is 50, 50, 18, 10. Lockpick. Just have to comment you out for now. 25, 25, 20, 12. Which is... Totally didn't steal any of these. It's not in the Thieving Guild or anything. Knife. Stethoscope. Stethoscope. So he sells it at 10, buys it for 0. Tinderbox, bronze knife. We don't even have bronze knives yet. I think there was a post on the roadmap for that though. So we can't use the darts, but they wanted both of them. Fuck. Steel knife. 5 buys for 11, sells for 6. No, buys for 6. Stethoscope. Skyvax. Keep your mind right, boy. Iron claws. Cool. 2 for 2 at 50 and then 30. Steel claws. 1 for 1 at 175 and 105. Your accent made it sound like that. Stethoscope. Stethoscope, I guess. Just be mean to me. I see how it is. Kidding. Do we actually call this anymore? I do have to add it. Are wall safes any good XP in old school? Not sure. I'm not actually sure about that. Could be. Alright, have a good stream. I've got to get coding myself. Got a big code quota to meet before Wednesday. Appreciate you stopping by. I'll probably be stopping soon anyway, but thank you, Skybacks. Do we go live again tomorrow? When do I have? I'll go live tomorrow for like an hour and a half. Maybe 2 hours. No, 2 hours. No. 1 to 2 hours. I'll see. See you around? Yeah. I'll see you tomorrow, hopefully, if you're free. Appreciate you stopping by. Oh, alright. What's everyone up to? Tyler, you fishing? Fix, what are you up to? Froggy, what are you up to? Oh. Zyla, how would grey sound? So it does tell you, it just tells you in like the fucking fine print. Grey? Tells you in the fucking fine print? Are you kidding me? There's a grey one. And that's it. It costs 5 cents more. This is unacceptable. We cannot do it. Okay. Well, copy this. Grey what? So, there's another snapback, but instead of the green underneath, it's grey underneath. Which I think will be a lot better. It's not letting me choose good colors though. Ah, I need a... Alright, let's hop on and see if we can get this guy to spawn and see. You're gargoyle grinding? You live there now? Sounds good. So if we... get Martin... Wait, is that it? It's just my local host, but it doesn't really matter. Bethel. Alright, so if we set our skill oh, we didn't actually write the code to open it. Duh. Oops. Our bad. At least I know the level thing works. Grats. Let's make sure we can still not open it. Yeah, so we can't open it if we don't have the agility level. It's cool. Right, let's go back to making this new design. Hat. Grey under visor. Okay, so then if we choose our... Oh, progress. So black, black, green, gold, gray, and black. Does that look the same? Menu. Gray. What does maroon look like? Ugh. Orange? Disgusting. Purple's not too bad. It's a nice like Twitch color. Oh my god, there's a gold. There's a gray. Blue doesn't look too bad. Straight black. Red's too much. Ah. Bro, this is actually kind of cool. Add to store. These saves must be good XP if you're 99 already, I guess. Alright, so let's open up set skill, double knife bandit, thieving, 99. Stethoscope. A useful hearing aid. There we go though. What we need, right? Cool. So he's all set up. Well, not on the dev server, but over here. You want that thieving cape? Add Martin the weights NPC, add Martin, waits, lost, and found. Fix. Escape's ever going down from 1 mil. Yeah, 1 was only the trim version. You can buy the normal version for 100k, isn't it? Something like that. Yeah. That's fine. Yeah, but the prayer bonus. Aren't they normally? How expensive are they? So to get the trim versions, only 99? Really? But it's got like, it's the same price, but you get like the whole trim. I mean, it could be changed at some point. They need to all be added to their respective NPCs. That'll be when they'll be fixed. You only get trim if you have more than 199. Yeah. No, but like I'll say like saying like, for example, this guy's meant to give you the Thieving cape when you trade him, when you open a store. So when all those are done, then it'll be swapped over. They're all trimmed if you have 99 and 2 skills. Ah, so only your first one? Yeah, but that's kind of silly though. Like, what if you want to have the option? But I guess it's maybe to show your first 99? I don't know. Charge my headset. Like the current price better than better cape costs more and lets us get untrimmed. No, but I think the issue is the price, right? So to get the prayer bonus. You can see why. Because if you want the prayer bonus from the cape, but it costs 1 mil, and it's like the price for the prayer bonus. There's a whole thing about keeping an untrimmed 99 cape. Let me first untrim this. It's going to be auto trim. This is an unsaleable item storage of the customer. Okay. Work for me, be my div. What? Just coming out of nowhere and ask me to be your div. Who are you? What do you want from me? Doris D was taken. Welcome, welcome. And welcome, Magical King. Welcome back. You need more divs. Sorry, mate. I'm all div'd out. Alright, so that's done. Well, we've set out what we wanted to do today, and a little bit extra. You like the current system, but you only need to buy 1 cape. The fishing cape. Yeah, set out what we wanted to do today, which is quite nice. It's always nice to set a goal and finish it. Hope it's been somewhat entertaining. The only other thing I could think of doing is the more of Wyson. Something to do with his these things. Currently they don't have a use. So currently if you trade them in Noted, he will give you a seed box, or a box, But if you... The issue with that is... You're gonna add those rooms? Thank you. Add as many roadmaps as you want. The more the better. The more that are on the roadmap, the more that I can think of and like build upon. Gets me so 8 is accessible with 90 thieving or 50 thieving and 50, yes. Although I'm not sure about the 50 agility, people are it might take a while for a few people using the bridge. My dev is way better. Okay. Cool. Sounds good. I feel like I'm the only one to go. JK, you're pretty cool, not gonna lie. Hey, appreciate it. 4 plus 22. Is it 21? No, I'm kidding. Classic. So there's no use for these nest box at the moment because you're supposed to be able to put them into the bank and it like auto undoes them. And I don't know how to do that yet. So I mean I could make it force it. Maybe. Wait, I can force it to change. There's a way I was making... No, that was on death. So on death, there's a new death mechanic where it changes to a different item. Hey Ben, and how hard is it to just edit roadmap post comments? I didn't make the system, so it's kind of hard. I'm not sure how to make that possible, fortunately. Is that why I had to keep the saplings in my inventory then? Yeah, so the saplings need to grow in your inventory because it needs to tick. To make it in the bank would be a bit more difficult. I gotta go. Good luck with the rest of the streaming and code. Yeah, we're probably about to finish here. But thank you, Zada. I hope you are doing well. And I hope to see you again. Okay, so I'm going to be doing an SMP with small creators. Would you be interested to join or consider it? Maybe. I was thinking of doing some sort of Minecraft series on YouTube at some point, but whether I had the time or not. Hey Ben, sorry I was kind of AFK and stuff. All good. Hope you sorted it all. Hope everything is okay. Hope nobody attacked you. Thanks for them the stuff earlier. Can I have your Discord so I can talk to you about it? You're fine? Yeah, that's good. That's good. I'm not sure if I have the time right now to do an SMP though. Me or Bandit? Me. He wants me to join a SMP. Which I got uni and everything at the moment, so I'm not sure if I can do it or not. You know? My time is limited. Okay, yeah. It's one of those unfortunate things where currently limited by time. Got a uni fun times, yeah. A lot of work. The problem I have, okay. What am I doing? So here you sort of get, you don't get paid to go to uni because you got to pay it back, but every class expects you to do 40 hours a week of work. So you'd think, okay, 40 hours, that's like a job, right? But then they expect you to do 4 classes to even be able to get paid. So they expect you to do the average of 4 people working to study, and then they pay you like literally nothing to like survive. Have you sent your friend request? So if you do have time, please continue. Okay, appreciate that, Doris. Thinking about it. Doris D was taken. Thank you for considering me for a content creation thing. That would be cool. Mingle with some other people on Twitch and stuff. That'd be nice. Sounds about right, Magic. Yeah, so they pay you just enough to like barely live, and then expect you to do like the hours of 4 jobs. That's uni. I understand it because like yeah, like there's heaps of people studying, but that much work and then they like, I don't know. I guess it gives incentive to do well, but Jesus. I was just doing the math. I'm like, wait, 4 classes at 40 hours each. It's literally 4 jobs, right? And they pay you. The salary per year would be like US like $8,000. $8,000 to do the worth of 4 jobs. Jesus Christ. And they also want you to do extracurricular and go make friends and then also sleep reasonably. I don't think they want you to sleep. They just want you to study. Oh my God. It's alright. I'll just struggle. I've been struggling for a few years, but it'll be worth it in the end. You know. And I have you guys to help me along. To relax with on stream. Thanks for the suggestion, Froggy. I'll definitely, as a suggestion on stream, just adding an option to the boss room without the boss room. So yeah, I'll do something. Ooh. How's the intermission looking? Yeah, it's pretty good. Well, that might be us for today. We're live 3 hours 40. Thanks everyone. Where'd my Gargoyles coins drops roadmap go to? I'm not sure. I did disable a few. If I might have accidentally clicked it, maybe. Add it again if it's not there. Or maybe I completed it? It might have been completed. Search in the completed area. Probably. I think I might have actually completed that one. So it'll be in the update. Hugs from Ender. Much appreciated. Now host Gino? Yeah, we can. Missing out on stocks? Yeah, it'll be in the update. Sorry. Thank you for the follow, Magical Gimme. Wait, where do I go? On the roadmap, there's a completed tab at the top. And you should be able to search those ones. No? Gargoyle. Maybe the search doesn't work. Oh no, there it is. Yeah. Oh, I see. All good? Alright. Till tomorrow, we'll do another short stream tomorrow. Because I'm busy, as I said, with uni. But thank you, Cocaine, for the bits. Magi for the follow. Ender for the sub. Shiora also for the sub. So it's all queued for the other? Yes, definitely. Definitely. Anyway. Till tomorrow. Peace, boys.